All right, who wants to get together live online and learn about botanical lotions and creams? We are going to be meeting online on Zoom on Saturday, March 21st from 10 to 1. So I hope you can join me. It's going to be an awesome class. It is a sliding scale course so that hopefully all of you can join. First of all, beeswax, not a true emulsifier. So if you're making your lotions and creams with beeswax, I'm going to tell you why that is not a solid plan moving forward, and I'm going to introduce you to many emulsifiers, but my one tried and true emulsifier that I use in all my creams and lotions that I've developed for myself and other beautiful herbal brands. What's the difference between a cream and a lotion? It's really all about the water content. We're also going to be learning a ton of tips and tricks around how to eliminate water as the first ingredient in your formula and instead use things like hydrosols and aloe juice. Lots of great little hacks that we're going to discuss. I pretty much don't hold back. Anyone that's taken a class with me before knows that I give everything away. This class is designed for a beginner. So if you're very new to making lotions and creams, this class is for you. I will meet you where you're at. But even if you've already made lotions and creams, I know you will take away some really awesome nuggets from this class, because although I teach for the beginning learner, I assume that everyone is ready to just catapult their experience to, very skilled, professional, beautiful lotion and cream maker status from their home lab. Anyone can do it. If I did it, you can do it. There's going to be a whole lot of stuff that you'll get to see. We're going to be doing live Q&A, guiding you through all of my slides. I will be making two different products. I'll be making a cream and a lotion, very basic, very beginner friendly, but I'll be doing them as pre-recorded videos on YouTube that we'll watch together, and then you'll have access to those videos forevermore, so that when you're ready to make your product, you can watch the step-by-step video again and kind of follow along with me. And then we're also going to be playing with spreadsheets, and I can show you how I organize my formulas. You'll get all those as digital downloads so that you'll be able to use the same formulas again and again. And of course, we're going to be talking through all of these wonderful ingredients. We're also going to be talking about the stars of the show, which are all of our beautiful botanical ingredients. So all of the wonderful herbs that our skin just loves. Calendula and comfrey, and all of the wonderful herbs, to all of the beautiful seed oils that you can include in your skincare products. I've got handouts for all of this stuff, and if you sign up for this course, they are yours. So this is not to be missed. I haven't done something like this in a really long time. I teach a lot of classes in person. I have a lot of pre-recorded, self-paced courses through HerbNerd, but this is a unique experience where we get to meet online, and I'm casting my net so that I get to hang out with all of you on my social platforms that don't live locally, and I really hope that you decide to join. It's the Beginner's Botanical Lotions and Cream class. So hit that link, choose your sliding scale option, and clear your calendar for March 21st so that we can get together and play. I hope to see you there.